How to use a check. First, ensure you have a checking account at a bank. Then make sure you get a booklet of checks. You can order a booklet of checks at your bank or on many online third-party printing services. If you're writing a check to give money to someone else, fill out the corresponding spaces on the check. Here we have a personal or business check. Ensure your name and address up top are correct, your bank name is correct, the routing number and account number are also correct. Then fill out today's date or a later date if you want the check to be cashed out later. And paid to the order of, write the name of the person you're giving the check to. But if you don't know their name, you can write cash. However, anyone can cash the check then. Then in this box using numbers, write the amount to include cents. Then in the line below the box, write out the cash number. Use a fraction out of 100%. Memo line is optional and just gives an idea of what the check is for. Finally, sign your name. If you're receiving a check, make sure everything's filled out properly, and then sign your name on the back on the line. To cash the check, you can go to your bank or many large retail or grocery stores. You can also go to the bank where the check was issued. But make sure you have an ID. Other common checks include money orders, cashier's checks, and certified checks. The cashier's check is guaranteed by the bank and ensures that the funds are available immediately. Certified checks only ensure that the funds are available in an account. Money orders are like certified checks, but they are prepaid and may have a maximum amount. And that's how to use a check.